This video speaks to the position of maintenance coordinator, what the job duties are, and what qualifications are necessary. The MC usually answers to the technical manager, who reports to the department head and the technical service manager. The information given here is provided as a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. It may also be used by job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or non-advertised position. This information was gathered and collected from many job posted sources: newspaper job section, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross-section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility management, operations, and maintenance requirements. The scope of work: organize and implement maintenance tasks to be done to maintain the facility operating systems. Maintain and issue daily work tasks, which will include call-in repairs. Check on the progress of assigned work and provide assistance to tradespeople as required. Maintain lines of communication with maintenance and professional staff. Maintain a trade inventory which identifies tools, equipment, and materials required. The MPC assists in the purchase of materials that are necessary. Performs and assists with scheduled inspections of facilities. Also advises as to employment, evaluation, promotion, and dismissal of maintenance personnel. The MPC oversees the implementation of safety policy and the training of staff in such. Also is responsible to maintain the technical library equipment manuals, warranties, and tool inventories. Qualifications: the MP should have a minimum of 5 years' experience in facilities maintenance. It is desired to have a technical degree or trade certification in a related discipline. The MPs must have skill in reading blueprints, specifications, and diagrams related to their trades. The MPs must have good computer skills. The MPS must have working knowledge of local building codes and regulations. The MPs especially must have good people skills. This is the end. Thank you.